Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your PayPal primary phone number. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first, go to paypal.com and log into your PayPal business account. And once logged in, just click on your profile icon in the top right corner. And from the drop-down menu, select Profile Settings. And on the settings page here, find the section showing your current phone numbers and locate your primary phone number in the list. So just click the update link next to your primary phone number, like so, and a new screen will then open showing all the phone numbers linked to your account. So just click edit next to your primary phone number, and on the next screen, just select the phone type like mobile, home, work, or customer service, and then choose your country code, and then after that, enter your new phone number in the provided field here. So once the information is updated, click the blue Update Details button, and then your primary phone number will now be updated successfully. So that's pretty much it. That's how to change PayPal primary phone number. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.